Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas and spent that time with your family and friends, laughing and enjoying the time off and the holiday, and that you went spreading Christmas cheer. Since New Year's Eve is coming up, I thought I would do a quick and easy, like, glam New Year's Eve party look. Just something that you can just put on and head out the door and be on your New Year's Eve merry way. So if you want to see what I came up with, then please keep on watching. So I already have all of my complexion products on. My foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, highlighter, and my eyebrows, and I curled my eyelashes already. Just to kind of get that out of the way, make this video a little bit quicker. And then now I'm going to put on the Marc Jacobs Undercover Perfecting Coconut Eye Primer. I haven't tried this yet, but I picked it up at Sephora. Looks like it's just like a, you know, like a cream color, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelids. I don't normally wear eye primers, but I figured since this is like a New Year's Eve look and you're gonna want to stay out all night, you're gonna want it to last, so a primer would definitely help this. Great. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of like a base color just to set that on my lids. I'm gonna be using the Marc Jacobs Perfecto Omega Shadow. It's just like a cream color. You can use anything that's similar. And I'm just going to bring it all the way up to my brow bone, just to kind of give it a little bit of a highlight. Okay, so that has been applied. And then now I want to take like a medium brown color and put it in the crease. So I'm taking the Marc Jacobs The Big O Omega Shadow, and it's just like this medium brown color, and I'm taking a blending brush and just putting it right in the crease area, just to give a little bit of dimension. Okay, and then now I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Daddi-O Omega Shadow, which is just like a slightly darker brown color, but still in like that medium tone, but just a little bit darker. Just put it in the outer crease area. So I'm taking the same fluffy brush, tapping out the excess, and then just putting it in the outer corner just to add a little bit more dimension and blending out. So see, that just gives it a little bit more dimension, and I'll do the same thing on this side. Okay. And then for the best part of this eyeshadow look, I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs See-Quinns Glam Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Gleam Girl, and it looks like this. It is so pretty. I'm super excited to use this. So I think you're supposed to apply it with your fingers because it's super crumbly, and instead of using a brush and getting fallout all over the place, you're just supposed to use your fingers. So I'm going to pat into that. Look at that, it's so cool. I'm just going to apply this on my eyelid, so I'm going to use a little mirror so I can see better. super pretty. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. Okay, just a little bit more on the outside here. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I really like that. I'm actually going to sweep away a little bit of lip fallout. Not too bad though, considering it's a glitter eyeshadow. I had like 3 little pieces of fallout, so that's pretty good. Oh, that color is so pretty. I really like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other side. And I think the best method with this is to just press it in rather than like swiping it. That way it'll like melt into your skin and set itself. Look at that, it's so pretty. Okay, let me clean up a little bit of fallout there. And then, so I added a little bit more of the Daddi-O shade, and then I'm just taking another fluffy brush and just blending that out, a clean fluffy brush. And then now I'm going to take a pencil brush and go in with the Daddi-O shade, and I'm gonna go under my eye, right here. Just to give under my eye a little bit of definition. And then lastly, I want to take my RMS Beauty Vintage Cake Liner, and I'm going to use a very thin liner brush like this one here, and I'm going to just dip it in. You can use this wet or dry, and so I'm just going to apply some of this right on the outer corner of my lash line. I'm not doing like a full liner, I'm just doing a little bit just to support my eyelashes to make them look thicker and darker. See if you can tell it's like already made a difference just in the darkness and thickness of my lash line on my eye over here. It's always a struggle for me to do my left side. Do you guys have that? So that just made it a little bit thicker on my lash line. See if you can see it, and look at that shadow, it's so pretty. Okay, before I forget, I want to put a little bit of the Marc Jacobs See-Quinns in Flashlight. This one's like a really pretty, super sparkly white color. I'm just going to take the tiniest amount and apply it to my inner corner. Oh, it's so pretty. I love these. Okay. So if you can see the glitter, oh, it's so pretty. Super sparkly. Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and I'm using the Too Faced one right now because I'm pretty much out of my Hourglass one, so I gotta go pick that up. have this one eyelash that's over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like going straight out. It would not curl today. I don't know what its deal is, so it's just gonna be all silly. Which is fine, whatever, be that way. So I'm going in with my second coat now. Okay, and then to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to use my RMS Living Luminizer multi-stick, and I'm just going to put it on my waterline here, just to kind of brighten them up a bit. Putting anything on my waterline makes my eyes watery. So there's the eyes done. I think it looks so pretty. It's like super glam and festive and sparkly. I really like that. So now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna finish off the entire makeup look with the Dior Lip Maximizer lip gloss. So I know that unfortunately this one isn't cruelty free, but I do really like this lip gloss. I think that it looks like really pretty and shiny. But a good alternative to this one would be not, you know, it doesn't give the plumping effect, but the Glossier lip gloss is a really good option for a super shiny lip. But I just really like the way that this one looks. And I haven't found any cruelty-free versions of this that I like as much. So okay, that is the completed New Year's Eve party look. It's super pretty eye. It's so sparkly, I really like it. Some long lashes. I don't use false eyelashes on myself. I can't handle like the glue near my eyes, it bothers me too much. So I just use mascara. But if you want to add some false eyelashes to this look, I think it would look really pretty with it too. So yeah, just something quick and easy, only a few eyeshadows. I mean, you really don't have to even do the base shadows if you don't want to. You can just like quickly apply the sequin shadows, and I think that would look really pretty. I'm so like, I can't stop looking at it because it's so sparkly and I'm like getting so distracted by it. It's so pretty. So that's it. And I forgot to ask, what are your 2019 New Year's resolutions? I have a few things on my resolution list. One of them is hopefully, you know, growing my channel and creating more videos for you guys and more interesting things for you guys to watch and enjoy. If you guys have any video ideas, please let me know. I have a few ideas for January. There's a few things that I want to go and do. So I think there will be some fun videos coming up next month. But if you guys have any ideas or products that you want me to try out or questions about any techniques or anything, let me know in the comments and let me know what your resolutions are, because I would love to know, and maybe get some more ideas for other resolutions maybe I want to include. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Maybe give it a try out yourself for your New Year's Eve party, whether you're going out or staying home. It doesn't hurt to add a little sparkle. So I hope you guys have a great New Year's Eve, a great brand new year, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, bye!